Hello, kiddos! Today we will learn how to read three-letter words. Three-letter words are short, simple words made up of exactly three letters. Here we go. Cat. First, let's practice the sounds of each letter. K, A, T. Then let's put them together. Cat. Very good. Let's do another word. Sun. Let's try this one again. Follow my lead. S, N. Sun. Sun. Well done, kids. Now let's move on to our next word. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Sit. Excellent work. Let's do this word. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Toy. You're doing great. Do another one. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Bus. Bravo! Keep moving. Cup. K-U-P. Cup. Cup. Now do this word. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Wet. You're fantastic. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Sad. Well done. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Perfect. Let's do this next word. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Excellent. Let's move on to the next. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Hot. Very good. Right time for the next word. Box. B-O-X. Box. Box. Fantastic. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Amazing. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Here's the last one. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. You did a great job, kids. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.